Hi guys, welcome to another video. I've been away because I'd been traveling and taking a break from the crypto markets, but now I am back. The biggest news from the past 24 hours is Gavin Wood. Gavin Wood is the pioneer of cryptocurrencies. He was a colleague of Vitalik's while making Ethereum, and now he owned Polkadot, Kusama, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies. He's one of the founding fathers of cryptocurrency, especially Polkadot and Kusama. And now he's decided that he's going to be stepping down as CEO for Polkadot. UK's Prime Minister Liz have resigned just after 44 days after some terrible policies with quantitative easing really didn't work out because inflation kept increasing. And this is the shortest reign we've seen for a Prime Minister in the UK, just 44 days. Let's now jump into the crypto market, see what's happening with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and what could possibly happen in this October because it's just been sideways. First thing first, let's jump right into the DXY chart on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frames, right now DXY is trading just around this range. We had wicked all the way into the highs of 113.8, nearly about 114, just below our previous highs. Right now we're trading below this support, which is at 112. Pretty sideways in this range, had a quick upside in a few days, but now just been pretty sideways, and the crypto markets also have been pretty sideways. Let's look into the USDT's dominance. On the USDT's dominance on the daily time frames, slowly and gradually we are seeing an uptrend right from here, which is at 5.69%, slowly gradually heading higher. We had wick into the highs of 8.7%, just been in this range for now. Slowly and gradually it's moving, so gotta really watch out. We're not seeing a big pump coming here, which is why we're seeing some consolidation period coming in Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin in the shorter time frame, starting with 4 hours. So on the 4 hours time frames, we have just been trading in this range for the past couple of days now. Nothing much big exciting has happened, just been in this range. We were expecting for a retest at about 20,500, but we did break into these highs, which is about nearly $30 short. So we'll have to take it and just be happy what we had seen in the past. Now we are trading in this range. We did try to have a retest, made another lower high. Right now we are facing rejection and resistance from our 50 MA, which is just about $19,245, while the 200 moving average is right above that at $19,326, just above this support box. So have to watch out how everything plays out. There's no bullish or bearish divergence right now. MACD is green, so we need some volume to be coming in the market. Let's move into the daily time frames for Bitcoin. So on the daily time frames, we are testing this support box. We have tested few times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About we can count this one also as fifth retest. So we're gonna be seeing some crucial moves coming in because the fifth and sixth retests are really important. We are in this range between $22,000 to about $18,000. Not much has been happening in this range for a past couple of months now. If we look into the RSI, nothing happening here. MACD is green on the daily as well, which is a good sign. If we look into the upper VP right now, is at $21,533. Our 50 MA on the daily is at $19,600, while our lower BB is at $17,677. Let's move into the weekly time frames for Bitcoin. So on the weekly time frames, we are way below the 200 moving average, which is at $23,707. We are just built around this line, which was our previous low at $17,563, just trading in between the 2017 highs and this range. So I have to really watch out what the next move is going to be like. If we look into the volume, it's gradually fading away, not big volume coming in. October was supposed to be going up, but it's pretty sideways. Nothing has happened. We have almost finished October, about 9 days to go ahead. So let's hope that the closing is at least in this range and we don't see a big dump because the Fed is coming in November. Let's look at the Ethereum's daily time frames. So on the daily time frames in ETH, our upper BB and the 200 moving average is just at the same price point, which is $1,767 to about $1,772. We are facing resistance from our 50 MA, which is at $1,402. We're having a retest of this resistance again, which likely we could be turning this into support, but we have to watch out because this is going to be right now about the fourth retest that is happening, because this was the first one, this was the second one, and about third one, and the fourth one is going on right now. We need to see an upside coming, at least testing this area. If we have good volume to back it up, a good news coming into the market with ETH, likely we can go above, but for now pretty sideways. Nothing is happening in this chart. If we look into RSI pretty normal, nothing's happening here. If we look into the MACD, it's green. It's green for past couple of days while it's heading upwards. We don't really see the price going upwards, which could be a divergence forming on the MACD. Let's look at Ethereum on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frames, we are testing the 200 moving average, which is at $1,308. We are testing just below that right now, which is at $1,301. There's not much happening here either. Our previous low was around $884. So compared to what we are seeing in BTC, this situation looks slightly better, but obviously it's not going upward. So if it doesn't go up, likely chances become an increase that is going to be coming downward. So gotta watch out, be very careful and cautious. I'm not really aping into any trades right now because the market is so boring. Your risk to reward ratio is just not worth it. While if you look into the spot positions, it is a very good place to start DCing. I have already DC'd, so not much that I'm going to be spending money at the same price point. Let's move into fear and greed index. So we're in extreme fear, just in the 20s for the past couple of months, just around 21, 22, 23. So not much happening in fear and greed index. Let's move into crypto bubbles. So on the crypto bubbles, Clay is up about 13.7%, Chills is up about 10.6%. That also have to do a lot with the World Cup starting very soon. In a couple of days, FIFA World Cup in Qatar is going to be starting. ApeCoin is up. Obviously, that has something to do with the staking coming on the ApeCoin. AVAX is about 5.4%. So a lot of coins are in short recoveries right now, but there's nothing big happening because we're not seeing any big moves coming on Ethereum or Bitcoin. Let's jump into the derivatives data. So the funding rate right now, long position traders are dominant, are willing to pay. Short traders take a buyer seller ratio. Buying sentiment is dominant. So a lot of accumulation is happening in these ranges. As OI increases, indicates more liquidity, volatility, and attentions are coming into the derivative markets. The increase in trend of OI could support the current ongoing price trend. Liquidations are happening all around because quick moves upside, quick move downside. If people are on high leverage, about 20x to even 10x could possibly get liquidated here. Well, Google has finally decided that Google is going to be displaying the amount you have in any address, especially when it comes to Ethereum. So Ethereum addresses, if you copy paste them on the Google search, you can actually see what's happening with their wallet address. For a lot of people, this might just, bring out your secrets, how much money you actually have, because nobody in the Web 2 shows your bank balance to you. But here, this is Web 3, more transparency, and it could have happened anyways. If you knew how to use Etherscan, you could have taken somebody's address, copy pasted there, and see it what's happening with their wallet. Well, it just became easier because you could copy paste that directly into the Google search. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, we have changed the layout of the channel too, so I hope you like it. If you do let me know in the comment box. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.